Definitely the tariffs is a clear sign that the trade sector, especially the global trade sector, is shifting. And this shows that countries now need to come together and be able now to see how they can be able to partner and trade with each other to reduce the dependency of the US market and also just to open up the global market in a way that it does not depend on one market on one area. And that's why most of us have been the key proponents of pushing for the cooperation within the global south. This is because these are countries with the like-minded. They have shared similar issues. They have faced similar challenges. And so when these countries are able to come together and be able to ensure that they get to harness the power of cooperation and togetherness, then they can be able to withstand some of these challenges and also ensure that the global supply chain of most of these products is not cut. Countries need now to rethink about the issue of dependency. And they need to ensure that they're able to foster and open up some of these markets, able to ensure that most of their products get access to different places. And the global south happens to be one of the key markets that's going to benefit countries like Kenya and major African countries.